Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today we've got for sale this. It's an Honda CBR1000RR, or a Fireblade to me and you. Anyway, this one finished off in the black. It's gorgeous. 2008 on an 08 plate. Just got a little bit of the old Moto Grafix protection on the front there. It's nice, lovely bit of kit. It's done 12,351 miles. Apart from the tail tidy, it is a standard bike. It's lovely. I'm going to give it a start up in a second once we've just shown you around it. Go like the clappers these, and as we all know, the handle, probably one of the best handling bikes of its time. Give it a cheeky start up for you. Just so you know as well, going to give it a fresh service and also a cheeky little rear tyre as well. Anyway guys, you've seen the bike. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.